Your videos might look off, and it's not your footage, it's your editing. Most beginners make these 5 simple mistakes without even realizing it. Stick around, because I'll show you how to fix each one and instantly level up your edits. Mistake number 1, ignoring shortcut keys. One big beginner mistake, doing everything the long way. For example, to nest clips, you right-click, then choose Nest every single time. That's way too slow. Instead, go to Edit, go keyboard shortcuts, search Nest, and assign a key that feels natural. Now, you just highlight your clips and press that shortcut. Done. Simple, fast, efficient. Learning even a few shortcuts like this can save you hours every week. Mistake number 2, not using autosave properly. Let's be real, we've all had Premiere crash mid-edit. Then realize we forgot to hit save. That one mistake can cost you hours of work. But here's the thing, Premiere has a solid autosave feature. You just need to set it up right. Go to Edit, Preferences, Autosave. Check Automatically Save Projects. I set mine to save every 2 minutes and keep around 20 versions. Also, make sure Autosave also saves the current project is enabled. That way, it updates your main project, not just backups. It only takes a minute to set up, but it'll save you from so much frustration later. Mistake number 3, wasting time building transitions. Let's face it, building custom transitions can eat up hours. You spend forever making one perfect effect you'll probably never use again. Save yourself the headache. Use pre-made transitions or templates from Motion Array. They're fast, customizable, and look clean right out of the box. Spend your time improving your story, not rebuilding the same transitions every project. Mistake number 4, unorganized files. One of the sneakiest mistakes beginners make, dumping everything into one chaotic folder, or worse, leaving everything in downloads. When your footage, exports, graphics, and project files are all mixed together, things get messy fast. Missing clips, relinking nightmares, lost assets. It's a disaster waiting to happen. Instead, organize your files before you even open Premiere. Create a clean folder structure like this: Downloads, Export, Footage, Project File. Now everything has a home. Premiere stays linked, your workflow becomes faster, and you save yourself from the "where did that file go" panic attack. A little organization in the beginning saves you hours of stress later. Mistake number 5, messy project organization. You'd be surprised how many editors skip this. If your project panel looks like chaos, good luck finding your assets later. Before you start editing, make folders for downloads, footage, audio, graphics, sequences, and exports. Label everything clearly. Might sound boring, but when deadlines hit, you'll thank yourself for keeping things clean and organized. And that's it. 5 beginner mistakes that can ruin your edits. Fix these and your workflow will be faster, smoother, and way more professional. If this helped, drop a like, hit subscribe, and let's keep leveling up your editing game.